Well, residents first should understand that if they have storm infrastructure on their property, it's only designed for up to a 10-year storm event. Typically, when we have large storm events, there's excess flow associated with that storm event. Residents can make sure that the areas around their property are free of any blockages. We have what's considered Overland relief pass, where this is areas around your property where the water will flow in a heavy rain event and go around your property and not into your structure, into your home. The reason why it's important to know where these areas are is that you can do things to protect them and block them so that the excess runoff doesn't enter into a property.
It's about to breach the wall. It's splashing up over the top.
At Maintenance and Stormwater, we are responsible for inspecting and maintaining our stormwater infrastructure. This includes TVing our lines with a camera truck, and what we'll do is we'll go out and enter into a storm sewer system through inlet or structure and video the inside of our pipe system. In doing so, we're able to make sure and verify that the system is functioning as intended. There's no blockages, no breaks in the system. If there is, then we will perform some type of maintenance or rehabilitation projects to remediate those issues. If a resident has questions about the drainage around their property, the county has resources, and/or they could consult with a civil engineer or stormwater engineer to come out and just walk their property. And in doing so, you can determine where are the low areas on your property, where is the natural drainage going to occur. So consulting with the right resources can be critical for a resident to learn about their property and prevent any type of future flooding.